Okay, this one we're underneath this bridge right here. So this is Sidetracked Bridge, and we're gonna be walking down this way, this little park. It's a little bit late at night, but I still kind of want to show you some of the exercise equipment, get a better view of this park. There's also a basketball court over there too. A little hard to see at night, but I wanted to catch it with this lighting right now. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's the Sidetracked Bridge. If you look into those little things right there, those little white things, that's going to be, it's going to connect all the way to a metro line that's going to connect Taipa over there to MACAU over here. So let's just kind of walk down a little ways. You can see a little park. There's bridges that go up and over, and then there's MACAU Tower right there, which is one of the highlights that I wanted to capture as well. Beautiful MACAU Tower and beautiful Sidetracked Bridge. So I think this is one of the exits, I believe, or entrance. Entrance. That's an entrance, and then that is there's an exit and an entrance, I think. I'm not sure, but it definitely goes down this way for one, towards the MACAU Tower. I think there's one this way, and there's another one that goes over on that other side and comes down over there. There it is. Yeah, you won't be able to see that in the dark so well. There's a little badminton court, some more exercise equipment as well. And we're gonna keep on walking down a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Got some exercise equipment like this. So I believe these ones you can pull it down, lift yourself up. Because that one you can also do some row things. And some more. So this is pretty common, all these exercise equipment things. Keep the city healthy. There's our Sidetracked Bridge right there. We got some more exercise equipment here too. And they got this one as well. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going down towards the MACAU Tower. So it's kind of interesting to see it at nighttime. And there's our skyline right there, with a beautiful MACAU Tower right there as well. And there's our Sidetracked Bridge. Nice. So we're not going to walk too far this time. Maybe I'll tell you a little bit. There's a boat right there, but this is basically the Taipa side. This is the MACAU side, and this is the MACAU Tower. And there's a lake that's on the other side of this. So if we had to walk straight across, we could do that actually. We'll do that. So we're just going to walk straight across, and we're going to go all the way down there. And then if we usually have to go across that way to go up. But I think this one, there's a major road right there, so that road we won't be able to cross it. But if we could, we'd go directly into that lake over there, Namban Lake. So I think what we'll do is just end it right at that spot.